Let us pray.
I decree and declare, God, you granted the children supernatural strength and ability to fight, a good fight of faith. I decree and declare they are qualified to share in Jesus' inheritance. I decree and declare they are reconciled to God. I decree and declare they are firmly rooted, built up, and established in the faith. I decree and declare they are a steward of great wealth. I decree and declare they are an ambassador for Christ, the light of the world. I decree and declare healing power flows to lay hands on the sick, and they shall recover. I decree and declare that they are anointed by God. I decree and declare there is a hedge of protection around them. I decree and declare they would never be broke a day of their life. I decree and declare God provides